Okay, this is number 11, and I might have to do this in two parts too. This one brings in three variables. And when you look over here, you've got P, Q, and R, right? And the way you set these up is a little different because, and my math lab on this one provides it for you. You can see, and this comes in 2 pages. This is what you'll see on number 11 when my math lab shows up. And they'll make you fill in all these drop down boxes, and then they'll give you a positive affirmation, and then the problem will continue. And so I've got a slide here where you can see all the answers in the top that I just did and more drop down boxes. That's because there's a total of 8 rows. You can see the 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So far we've only done 4 rows, and that's because we were only using 2 statements, P and Q. And remember 2 to the 2 power equaled 4. Well, now we got P, Q, and R. And so 2 to the 3rd equals 8. But the way they list the T's and the F's are a little different on this, because when it was just P's and Q's, it was true, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. But if you look at this right here, that doesn't match. It's true, 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 false, true, false. There's a pattern here when you have 3 that's different from this one, which I'm trying to erase. Get off there. Okay. So let me try to use highlighters to show you this. Okay. When you're doing the 3, there's a pattern. For the column of P, you're going to do 4 T's and then 4 F's. There we go. Not sure what's going on, sorry. 4 F's. When you go to Q, Q has 2 T's and then 2 F's. Come on, computer. Work with me here. I don't know what it is about the highlighter, but it doesn't like to switch. Okay, I'm going to go back to green. Will green work? And we got 2 T. There we go. I must have to tap it twice. Okay. Pink, pink, pink. It's not working. There we go. Oy vey. Okay. So for P, you do 4 T's and 4 F's. For Q, you do 2 T's, 2 F's. 2 T's, 2 F's. And then for R, and I'm already on pink, I'm not switching back and forth because I'm having trouble. It goes true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Do you see that? For the 3rd variable, which will be R, they're switching from T to F, T to F, T to F. There we go. T, F, T, F, T, F. Do you see the pattern? It goes 4s, 2s, and then 1s. 4 T's, 4 F's, 2 T's, 2 F's, 2 T's, 2 F's, and 1 T, 1 F, 1 T, 1 F, 1 T, 1 F, 1 T, 1 F. And that's a pattern that hopefully you can remember. All right. So let me slide back up to here. And you would start the same way. I would do column by column by column. And you can see they've already put in the, okay. So like this is the given information over here. This is the stuff you kind of just stare at. And you can see they've already done in black for me. Doot. They copied the Q, they copied the P, they copied the P. But everything else has a drop-down box because that's a calculation. So in the first set here, or the first set of parentheses, I should say, because I have a set of parentheses here, you're going to calculate the OR. So to get this drop-down box, you're going to look at Q or the P. And on an OR, as long as one of them's a T, it's going to be a T. And when I look at them all, two T's, an F and a T, an F and a T. So these are all trues. And then when I go over to my second set of parentheses over here, there's two calculations inside. And the first one would be this. And that's actually the second calculation overall, because up here, the only thing I did was this OR. So I'm going to do the negation of R. So to get this column, I am going to have to come over here and look at column R, which grows true, false, true, false. So to negate it, false, true, false, true. And then the second thing I'll do here is this and. It's actually the third step overall, but the second set in the pink parentheses are the second step. Okay. And to get this column, I will do an and between the P, which is all T's, and this pink one that I just calculated. Now remember, on an and, the only time that you get a true is when they're both trues, and there's only, let's see, this is a true, and this one's a true and a true. The top one is P is true and negation of R was false, so this is a false, and a true and a false is a false. And of course you can see my orange is all T's, and the green and the pink match. They go false, true, so you can see you hit check answer and they give you a positive affirmation, and here you can see true, 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 true. Oh shoot, I missed one. Damn it. Sorry. There's one more to do, April. Wake up. Okay. It's this one right here. Ah. This will be step 4. Now this is in between the orange parentheses and the pink one. So the only thing I did inside the orange parentheses was this step right here. And then the last thing I did inside the pink parentheses was this step right here. So you have to do the OR between the orange and the green. And on an OR, as long as one of them's true, it's true. And every pair has at least one T. True or false is true. True or true is true. True or false is true. True or true is true. I'm looking at orange and green when I do this. And now when I compare it to the next slide, you can see true, 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 true right here. True, 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 true. And then these are both false, trues, false, true. So see, proof that I did it right. Okay, I'm going to have to continue this one on a second video.